gonna talk about how we can cast the CSV data, comma separated value data, to XLSX format, which is readable with the Microsoft Excel program. So as you can see, this is kind of messy data, and all of the data is now in the column A, and they are separated with comma. What we want to have our data properly, each column and row in a separate cell. What we do, actually, we go into the data tab and then get the data, click here from the text. Sometimes it doesn't work. Please open the fresh Microsoft Excel and then do it again and again. Sometimes it doesn't work with properly with Microsoft. Now we have it. So what we do, actually, we have the preview data. As you can see, we just click next. We check if it's semicolon or comma. In my case, this is comma, and I click next, and then here we select one of the column, press shift, and going to the end of the data. Now I press shift again. Now I have all the data. All of the data are selected, and I checked here to text, and then click finished. Make sure to click on the first cell on the top left corner, and then I press OK. As you can see, we have all data properly in a separate column and rows. Thank you for your attention. Please write me comments if you have any other question about this issue. Usually on the Mac system you will not have such problem. If you open with Sheet, it automatically detect the CSV file, but for Microsoft Excel, especially for Windows user, it's necessary to cast it from the text. Thank you very much.